Hi guys, welcome to 3 Minute Learning. In this video, let us learn the basics of k-means clustering using IBM SPSS modeler. In this video, I will not be going into details of k-means clustering, what is k-means clustering, basic or advanced theory topics. This video is just a crash course on how you can, create a k-means clustering graph or create clusters using IBM SPSS modeler. So first, let me select a source node. For this exercise, I will be using a .txt files. So I have to use var file. Please choose the node according to your data source file format. Double click on var file. I will select the .txt file, telecom.txt. Let me show you the file here. This is a small file. There we go. Okay, so apply, okay, and then I will select a type node where I will be specifying the field names and the role of the field names. So for this exercise, I will be using long distance, international, and local. I'll be using these three fields for my clustering purpose, and all the other field names will be set to none. Let me set it to none, and only these three field names will be input. There we go. Apply. Okay, there we go. So I have my data source. I have assigned my field names. Next we'll be selecting the type of clustering. We'll be going to modeling node under modeling segmentations, and here you have different clustering techniques: k-means, Conan, two-step, anomaly. Let's select k-means, and the number of clusters is set to 5. You have more options and more customizations, but for this video, let us keep it default. I'll run the clustering. There we go. We have our result. We have 5 clusters as we specified. There we go, and the quality is good. This is just a summary. You can see the clusters here. Clustering information. The easiest way to read the result is to show them graphically or plot them graphically. So I'll go to graphs, select plot node, and select X field. I have 3 fields, so let me make it 3D. This is 2-dimensional, this is 3-dimensional. So long distance, international, and local. So I've assigned my axis labels. Let me just specify the color. So k-means, and so this is the new column that has been created in your file. This is the distance between the neural nodes, or the neural networks between each nodes. You will know about this when you learn the k-means theory, how the k-means clustering k-means clusters are created. So if I run this, I should get a 3D graph. There we go. This is the 3D graph. I have 3 axes: international, long distance, and local. Let me just okay. So there we go. This is the result. We can see the long distance, international, and local. So this cluster means there is very less local, but a fair amount of long distance for these people here. Uh, is this a good clustering result? Uh, as we can see, there are 3 clusters which are tightly packed, and this is somewhat dispersed. A good cluster should have less distance between each other, each records, each points. So this is not a very good clustering result, but this is not a bad clustering result either. It's a good clustering result, not an excellent one. There we go, guys. This is the basic steps that is followed in creating a k-means clustering clusters. If you like this video, please subscribe to this channel. We'll be coming up with more tutorials and more videos. Take care.